Hello, I am your Tally Guru Abhijit Joshi, and this is Skilled Prime User, a unique course designed to train you on the use of Tally Prime. In this video lesson, we are going to learn how to start Tally Prime on our Windows desktop or a laptop PC. This is the desktop area of our PC, and this is the icon of Tally Prime. We will double-click this icon to launch Tally Prime. We will first get an introductory screen, and then the form Select Company will appear. This Select Company screen is a menu to select a company which has already been created using Tally Prime. When we refer to the word company, it means an organization for which we wish to maintain the books of accounts. Basically, companies can be of three types. The first is trading company. A trader is an individual or entity that engages in the buying and selling of goods. The goods are purchased from the suppliers and sold to the customers. The second is a manufacturing company. A manufacturer is an individual or company that produces finished goods from raw materials using various tools, equipment, and process. These goods are then sold. Then the third type is an organization which is involved in giving services. For example, we are involved in training students. Another example can be one which gives legal consultancy, or it can be one which does repairs and maintenance. So, using Tally Prime, we can maintain the accounts of all such companies. So, in this Select Company menu, we are able to see a list of all companies for which we are maintaining accounts.
Sir, you are the owner of so many companies?
No, I'm not that rich. These are the companies which I have created while training the students. But yes, rich people like you who have multiple companies can easily maintain their accounts in Tally Prime. Jokes apart, a tax consultant or a chartered accountant may maintain accounts or finalize books of multiple companies, and so would like store his clients' data in Tally Prime. We can say that using Tally Prime, we can maintain accounts of multiple companies. And yes, we can maintain multiple accounting periods of the same company like the one shown here. If we wish to close Tally Prime, we can click on this close button, or we can press the escape key on the keyboard. On pressing the escape key, we will get this yes/no prompt. You can either press Y on the keyboard or click on the yes to exit and close Tally. You can also press the enter key on the keyboard. The meaning of pressing enter will be yes. Right now we do not want to exit Tally, so we will either click on no, or we will press N on the keyboard, or we can also press the escape key. We are now back to the Select Company menu. We will now close Tally. To do so, we will press the escape key followed by enter. Now we are back on the desktop. Once again, we will start Tally Prime on our computer. It is important to note that sometimes when we start Tally Prime, we do not get the Select Company menu. A pre-created company gets automatically loaded. Tally Prime can be configured to do so. By default, Tally is configured to automatically select the first created company. I personally recommend students to shut a pre-selected company. Only after doing so you may select or create your company in Tally. To shut the company, we can use this company option on the top menu bar. This is the top menu bar of Tally Prime. You can click on any of the options to select it. Please note that the options have a hotkey. For example, the company option has the letter K with an underline. So instead of using mouse to access the company menu, we will use the key combination Alt plus K. For now, we will press the escape key and come back to Gateway of Tally. The main menu of Tally is called the Gateway of Tally. In the menu are options for various forms and reports. Note that the menu items have a capital letter shown differently. We can select various options by pressing the up and down arrow keys on the keyboard and pressing enter to select the option. Now the balance sheet is being shown. We will close this report. So instead of using the navigation keys and selecting the menu, we can directly use the hotkey. This time we will press the hotkey B to view the balance sheet. Balance sheet will be shown. We will now close this report by pressing the escape key. We can say that there are two types of hotkeys, one in the menu bar and others directly in the menu. Right side of the screen is the right button bar. Buttons change according to the forms. Right side of these buttons is a menu. This button menu has three options. The last option is Shut Company. Note that this sub-menu button also has a hotkey. We can use this button to shut the active company. The active company here is Maya Garments. Can either click on this button or press shortcut key Ctrl plus F3. Now we know that there are two methods to shut a company. One by clicking on this button menu bar and selecting Shut Company. The other method would be by clicking on the company menu option or pressing the key combination Alt plus K and selecting Shut option on this menu. You can also see that the hotkey is also shown on the right side of the Shut option. So this is a very important shortcut key to remember. We can see currently the active company is Maya Garments. We will now use the shortcut key Ctrl plus F3 to shut this active company. Here Tally will prompt us with the list of active companies. In our case, we have only one active company. If there are more than one companies, we will have to select the company to shut. We will now press Enter at the selection to shut this company. Company Maya Garments is now shut. Now that no companies are active, the menu Select Company appears. We will now press the Escape key and press Enter to close Tally Prime.
Sir, I have a question. Sir, I wanted to know if we can install Tally Prime on our laptop or desktop PC at our home. Also would like to know the cost involved.
Very good question, Surekha. You can purchase a license of Tally Prime from a certified partner of Tally. But you can download and install a free educational version on your PC. You had scanned a QR code to view this video from your book. On the same page below there is a QR code. On scanning this QR code, you will be able to know how and from where you can install Tally Prime on your PC. That's all for this video. See you in the next video. Till that, take care and enjoy learning Tally.